Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. I'm at the stadium today. It is Independence Day, July 4th, 2019. I wasn't expecting to see anybody working today, but we do have some of the crew here. And we got the iron workers for sure. Hello Raider Nation, this is Duntov. Today I'm at the Raiders Allegiant Stadium. It is Saturday, July 4th, 2020. So happy Independence Day to Raider Nation out there. So I am on the Hacienda Bridge. This is the north side. Oh, also on this date, this was Al Davis's birthday. So happy birthday, Al Davis. He was born in 1929. So from here we can see that they got the concrete pump here. It looks like they're working on the step area. There's actually more people working than I thought would be. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I think it was the Review Journal a couple days ago said that the stadium is 98% complete. So I think with that 2% we're in business. Just waiting to see how they're going to do these games. Actually, this concrete pump they're working down here, it looks like. If you look that way, you can see the nozzle thing was down lower. Yeah, so, you know, there's a lot of talk online about no games, some games. Now the new thing is they're going to make us sign waivers. And we really don't know. We'll have to wait and see. I mean, I'm hoping there is, but I know Nevada's high on the list now for increase in viruses. So it's not looking good. So this side here, this left side stairs, they look like they got all the forms off finally. I am going to splice in some footage. I was here last year. So I'm going to splice in the footage so when you see that footage, it is basically just the still skeleton. From what it looks like in the footage, they were just finishing putting the canopy trusses up above the lanai doors over here. So when you see that video, I mean, 1 year, it's really drastic change. We'll be throwing some of that in. I'm going to try to get the drone up over here so we could try to see the Raider shield. The picture's been going around the internet. It looks pretty good. Last time I was out here, I was able to see them painting it. You can see it there. So it's surrounded by the legacy bricks, which I did get. I'm sure a lot of you have seen that also. I posted a picture of it on my community tab, and then I got a little video on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at Duntov67. Okay, so you can see the legacy bricks, at least on the viewfinder. It looks like they got that part underneath the shield, and then they're already all installed all around the front. Up, see, that's the Raider image store. That's the doors there, so all in the front there, and then it's going to come all the way around. It's looking good. All right, let's look at Lot A. It appears like they got it paved. See all on that side. They were working on that earlier in the week. And they still have a lot of equipment parked here. So this is the F-150 lot, the C lot. They just announced like an official announcement the other day with Coors Light and Raiders Stadium that Coors Light is going to have their own special section, and I think the bar area that's around the El Davis Torch, I don't remember what they call it, but it's some silver section for Coors Light and the stadium. It's going to be sponsored by them. And then they said that this lot here is going to be the Coors Light tailgating lot. So you know, it's not going to hold a lot of cars, but I don't know how you get into this lot. If you got to like win the tickets or, you know, sign up on some special, you know, some special thing to get in there. But this is going to be the Coors Light tailgate lot. Unless if they're just going to have stuff and it's open to anyone, you know, just walk in and, you know, I'm not sure. But they just announced something about that. Alright, let's look down this way. So we can see the 3 billboards are up, and then the Yesco sign. They added 2 more sections. We'll go down that way, but from here you can see they added 2 more sections where it actually has video screen. So it's going to be a giant marquee sign with the big video screen in the middle. So I guess they'll have good coverage with all the videos on this side of the stadium. And we got a guy down here in the C lot. Looks like he's working on the cameras. Each one of these light poles has a camera on the one side. So if we look all the way down, they all got them. Alright, we're going to go walk down there. We're going to try to send that drone up now. Alright, I'm now on L. Davis Way. We just sent up the drone. So if you look in front of the Raider Image store, you can see the shield that they painted the other day really well. So check that out. Then you could also see the Lot A they paved, and so they even paved like this main entrance, this drive that comes in over here. So it appears like everything's done in there. And if we look in the front by where they're putting these right side steps, so they just poured concrete over here in front of this one set. I don't know how well you can really see it, but you can see right there. I still think this is an area that they will do the legacy bricks, but it might be something, because every season they'll keep adding them on as people buy them. So maybe, you know, for now they just pour the concrete and then they'll tear it out in between seasons to put the new ones in. And you can see a bunch of guys working in this section here. Now this might be, some of the renderings had water features. This could be one of them right here in between the two stairwells. Not positive, but I know some of the renderings had some water features. Alright, we're going to walk down, try to make our way to the east side to see the video screen area. Alright, so now we're looking straight on at the north entrance. These guys working on these archway canopy areas. I think they're putting, I don't know if they're doing the lighting or putting the crossbars. And then right behind them, that's where that Raider shield is. I don't think we'll be able to see it well now. You can see the legacy bricks there. I'm just curious to where mine is going to be at. They're going to let us know, like, they're going to send us the general area it's in, but you won't have an exact spot. So they'll just say, oh, area left of the Raider image or something like that, and then you just got to look for it. Look down here to the left, you can see they're starting to get more plants in these big planters. And also, you see they got the 3 flagpoles up over here by this main area. See them right there. Now remember at the headquarters they just had the 2, so they got the 3 here. Okay, we're now on Dean Martin, right on the corner over here by L. Davis Way. I want to show the lower part of the stadium. You can see they're still putting up the finished panels here. So these are them here. They got the white film over them, but they're still going across by this area by the steps. That still needs finished over here, it looks like. over this way, you can see this new marquee sign going up. Still pretty big, so the video screen, I would assume they're gonna put at least 2 more sections, maybe even 3. Okay, if you look at this TicketMaster booth, you can see they're starting to put these, if they're surrounding it, it's gonna have like this, it's gonna be silver and black. You can see where they're putting the mounting, like those stripes over there, so this will look good when it's all set. When I get to the other end of it, you can see they start putting some of it on. Okay, I'm going down a little further here. Wanted to show the side of the TicketMaster, so you can see how it's going to be silver and black. Look at the stripes there. So it looks like it's just going to continue around the whole building, or at least up to the windows. It might stop right there. Look here how they got the mounts staggered down, so it's probably going to stop there. Okay, so Big Red's all the way around the corner there. That's its rigging for the canopy trusses. You can see that one truss sticking out right on that side. That should be the next for Big Red. Alright, now this is looking south on the east side here. You can see the fancy palm trees. We got the video screen, but I want to show right behind this boom. We got the official address right here, 3333 L. Davis Way. But now it is, this side of the building though is along Dean Martin. But the address is that. So L. Davis Way is the little road that I was just on where I take off with the drone. So it's down, it's the part that's the lanai doors are facing. There is some writing on the door over here. Let's see if we can make out what this says. Okay, so here's some. I had a lot of people asking me about ADA entrances and stuff, so this will be one of them right here. So I guess all around the building, you know, there will be the different entrances if you can't go up the steps. So this is on the east side, close to the video screen here. Okay, you can see the video screen. They got some more of the section over here, down lower. And then it just seems like it's even got wider up in the center section, where they're starting to go towards this left side now. A lot more panels. If I want to zoom in down here, we got these, they got the white shrink wrap around these crates over here. I just want to try to see if they're part of the video screen or not. Ticket off this. Okay. Not sure exactly what it is. Oh, it's going to be another sign over the ticket office, it looks like, sections 1 through 4. all the different sections. These are some more prism view. So they're probably some kind of video screens again. Each different ticket office. All prism view stuff. Okay, I'm pretty much right in between the east side here. This way you can't see Big Red. You can see all the rigging is just hanging here. It should be going to that truss next. We got some more walls going in. Another escalator. See a lot of pipes running under here. Here's the video screen, the full view. Most of the full view. My camera doesn't have a wide enough lens to get the whole thing from this position. Again, you can see how you can see the glass reflection inside there. So if you're on the inside, you will be able to look out, even if the screen is on. Got more landscaping. You look inside this big planter down here along this black fence, and the trees inside, and down here they're still getting, they got plants here but they haven't put them in yet. If we look at this, this is that third billboard sign. You can see they're actually working on it right now. Running some conduit up to it. Okay, Raider Nation. Hope everyone enjoys their barbecues and swimming and lakes. Everyone just stay safe though. And have a good 4th of July. And I will talk with you guys next time.